Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss the last lesson by Alphonse Daudet from class 12 syllabus. Alphonse Daudet was a French novelist and a short story writer. In this lesson he tries to show us the impact of war on people and the linguistic identity. So that day, like any other regular day, Daudet started school very late and he was fearing because he thought the teachers will scold him. And M. Hamel, the teacher, was about to ask them questions on participles and he did not know a word about participles. He was not in a mood of going to school. On the way to his school, he saw many people gathering in front of the bulletin board, but he ignored it as he was in a hurry. Usually, when school began, there was a great noise, which could be heard out in the street, but that day it was all still. He was thinking about how to get to his desk without being seen, but that day was like Sunday morning. There was no noise. He entered, but M. Hamel treated him very kindly. Hamel was wearing his beautiful green coat, his frilled shirt and the little black silk cap, which he used to wear on inspection and prize days. The whole environment was so strange. The back benches were filled with village people, sitting quietly. Everybody looked so sad. All of a sudden, M. Hamel said that this is the last lesson that he will provide. The order has come from Berlin to teach only German in the schools. No more French language. The new master will come tomorrow. This is their last French lesson. It shocked the author and everyone. Till then, he ignored school and his lessons, but now he understood that he will never again have that chance of learning his own language. He is going to lose his linguistic identity. Because of this, only Hamel wore his special clothes. This is why the villagers also come to the class. M. Hamel says to Alphonse Daudet that we think that we have enough time to learn, but now what come to them? You pretend to be Frenchmen, but the other people, the German people, will say to you that you only pretend to be Frenchmen, but you can neither speak nor write your own language, which is French. Hamel says about French language, it was the most beautiful language in the world, the clearest, the most logical language. It seems the teacher wanted to give them all that he knew before going away. Everyone was listening to him, writing French letters with so much attention that they were not listening to any other sound. It was in fear of losing their identity. Language is strongly related to one's identity. They were crying. It was emotional for them. As the church clock struck 12, they heard the trumpets of the Prussians. Hamel stood up and took a piece of chalk and wrote as large as he could, "Vive la France," means long live France. And after that, he made a gesture to them with his hand that the school is dismissed and all may go now. This is how Alphonse Daudet ended the lesson. From this discussion, we can understand that here is the feeling of losing one's identity, where language is mostly related to one's identity. So this is what Alphonse Daudet tries to give us, that we should respect our language, we should respect our identity, because once it's gone, we can never again have that chance to learn